Real patient ultrasound images were used as the basis for the Pediatric Assessment Questionnaire. Using convex, linear, and selector probes, the Schallware system records examinations made on patients. The simulator enables perfect hands-on training on a mannequin. You can use ultrasound to examine the central nervous system of newborns, infant brain in sagittal and coronal cross-section planes, spinal cord in longitudinal and transverse sections, and make ideal measurements of an infant hip. The program includes tutorial videos and practice with feedback. Here you can see an example of newborn hip sonography. First, set the plane to be diagnosed. Then locate the anatomical area to be viewed, in this case the femoral head. And finally measure the angles. The simulator recognizes the annotations and provides feedback, producing a detailed PDF summary with scores. The assessment questionnaire contains 4 chapters and 50 patient cases and takes 6 hours to complete.